Here's how to delete messages on your iPhone from both your side and the other person's side. Let's begin by opening the Messages app. As you can see, I'm in a conversation with myself for this example. Now, let's say you accidentally send a message that you didn't mean to send. If you want to unsend it and remove it from both your device and the recipient's, the process is pretty simple. Just tap and hold on the message you've sent, and you'll see an option to undo send under the Edit menu. When you tap Undo Send, the message will immediately disappear from both your device and the other person's, making it look like it was never sent at all. However, there are some important details to keep in mind. For instance, if you try tapping and holding on a message after some time, you might not see the Undo Send option. That's because Apple has set a time limit on how long you can unsend a message, specifically to minutes. So if it's been more than 2 minutes since you sent the message, you can no longer use the undo option. But don't worry, you can still delete the message on your end by tapping and holding the message, selecting More, and then hitting the trash can icon. Just remember, even though it will delete from your side, it won't remove it from the other person's device. They will still see the message. I hope this helps you out. If it did, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching.